Most designers draw a frame, then they duplicate it over and over. They end up ruining the consistent spacing between the frames. Worry not. I have got 2 solutions that let you build entire layouts in seconds, using only your keyboard arrows while you are drawing. Number 1. The Gridify feature. While you are clicking and dragging to create a text or image frame, do not let go of the mouse button yet. Press the Alt and right arrow to split the frame into columns. Press the Alt and up arrow to split the frame into rows. Press the Alt and left arrow to reduce the number of columns. Press the Alt and down arrow to reduce the number of rows. Hold Ctrl and arrow keys. It changes the gutter on the fly. If you press Ctrl and up, the rows gutter will change. And if you press Ctrl and down, the columns gutter will change. This allows you to create a perfect grid of 12 image frames for a gallery or storyboard in a single motion. Number 2. The Gap tool. Instead of manually resizing 4 different boxes to keep the space between them even, use the Gap tool. Select it from the toolbar. Shortcut key is U. Hover over the gutter between your frames. Click and drag. It will resize all adjacent frames simultaneously, keeping the gap perfectly consistent. Now, hold Shift while dragging to only move the gap between 2 specific boxes. If you want to learn more about Gap tool, then watch the Gap tool tutorial on my channel. Link is in the card on top of this video and below in the description. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. It motivates me to produce more tutorials for you. If you don't want to miss any new tutorials, make sure you hit the notifications bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe.